Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Amit Kumar Singh. I did my finance workshop under the able guidance of Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja sir. Workshop is scheduled in proper sequence, which make it easy and understandable. Sir provides reminder, push, help during the whole workshop to pace up and complete the work. For me, it is not just a financial workshop, but it is much more than this, although it is a journey. Main points are the contents of the workshop. It is so unique and covers very minute details like banking, budgeting, tax saving, taxation, type of accounts, number of accounts, my name versus firm name, saving versus current account, tax calculation, even ITR filing also. It covers other many topics like portfolio creation, various saving instruments like PPF, NPS, mutual funds, stocks, etc., and many more. Even how and when purchase material to it helped me to check and control the leakage of my hard-earned money. I finish my various loans, start saving an investment, and purchase home and land for clinic expansion. Now I am more confident and clear towards my financial journey from saving to invest to corpus build up in simple and easier way. As a medical field student, I feel myself financially illiterate. So it is mandatory for me and other people also. In the end, sir give gift on the completion of workshop completion. These are the ice on cake. The special gift, especially the personal session of. Especially, I thank to sir. Less promise, more deliver. Thanks to Dr. Bhavdi sir, great knowledge share and make awareness. God bless.